The sizes dialog is very important for controlling the size of a widget relative to its parent container. Let me run this app in live mode, and let's take a look at these two drop downs. You can see how they remain a constant width relative to the column that they're within. Let's go and take a look now at the sizes dialog. So we select it, find the sizes dialog, and here we can see that the percent width is set to 80% of its parent container. The min width and max width are empty. That means there is no minimum and maximum enforced. However, I can do that. Let's drag in a new label widget into this, and we'll type in some text. Let's type in a lot of junk. So you'll see now that without a percentage width being applied, it will maintain the width that I give it by when it's dropped or when I drag it. Now if I want to, and in most cases I would in this sort of scenario, I'd select its percent width to, let's say, 90. Click on OK. And that is now 90%, so if I drag it in, it'll pop back out because it's being forced to 90%. I might want to center that as well, something I often will want to do for widgets and containers. Now, as you can see, as I move that, you can see how it's adjusting. Now what we'll do is we'll play around with the min width max width property. So I'll select the sizes dialog and I'll say my minimum width is 200 and my maximum width is 350. Click on OK. Now as I shrink this, you can see now it's stopped here, it's stopped getting any smaller. That's because the minimum width property is now being enforced. Now it's starting to expand, and at some point around here you can see it will stop there, starting to get any bigger. That's because the max width property is being enforced. And the max height similarly enforces a maximum height that a widget can grow to.